I've just put the Alpex 4K on my 6 PPC, and I've just zeroed it 100 yards. It actually took me 3 shots to do it, which was quite a good reel. And it's a shocking day, as you can see. So before I go now, I'm going to have one more shot with a 58 grain VMAX. I'm going to aim at the centre of the bull, in the centre of the target. And we'll see. Press record. Yeah, that was perfect. So yeah, the 6 PPC is ready now. Because I've had a few phone calls lately, and spring is around the corner, so fox control gets busy for me now. Also, I'm just checking my 223 as well. I've just put the Swarovski scope back on, but that never loses zero. That it's an Optilock mount, and I take it off, put it back on, it's virtually spot on. So anyway, that's it. I've gone for now. I'm on a Moorland tonight, where this time of year fox control is essential really, because we have a lot of ground nesting birds on this ground. So I'm here now, I've got my 6 PPC, I've got the 4K Alpex zeroed ready, and I'm using a PBI-RX illuminator. I've just put my fox pro out, I might not need it yet, but I'll put it out just in case. I'm going to stake out top of this hill here. And I've been here 2 nights already, and it's a long story. One night a fox came, and the fog came with it. I couldn't see it. I could see it in my thermal, but not night vision. Another night I were shooting rats, and I only had my wolverine, so that were no good. So anyway, this is the 3rd night now, and hopefully, everything should come to plan. So anyway, I've got to get in position because, like I say, it's the important fox to get is this. I've gone. I've been here now about an hour and still not sure, but the night is young really, and I know these foxes are here, they're definitely about somewhere, it's just seen them. But also the mist is bad tonight, not mist, the condensation. My spotter keeps steaming up, and my Alpex does in my IR, so I've got to have the Alpex lens cap closed, and I've got my glove over IR. But if I see a fox, I'll have to open them fast. But literally every minute my spotter's steaming up. I've actually set the ballistic app up with this Alpex on my 6 PPC. I've not tried it yet, I've set it up, and yeah, it does look good, I think, yeah, it'll give you an advantage of shooting further out. But I'll be honest, at night I don't really want to shoot past 250 yards at night, if I'll be honest. I just feel safer under that distance, If I have to, I will do, but only on certain places, but I try to stick to 150 yards these days. I've been here now about an hour and a half, and there's a fox down here now, it's about 400 yards away, but it's not coming this way, it's going to the left. They sometimes come up this fence line, but it's going that way. Can't see it now. Yeah, it's going left. I'm going to have to try and call it. Yeah, I've got to be quiet.
Yeah, this fox at the moment's 235 yards away, and you can still see the mist a bit, but it's not too bad. And he can hear the caller, but he's just deciding at the moment what to do.
It's not far away. Nice one. That right work, that. I just want to say as well, that setting fox, the video probably wasn't too clever. I'm going to be honest, I could have focused the Alpex, I could have adjusted the IR better, but shooting these foxes is number one, you know, filming is number two. Although I'm trying to get a good video to show you what the Alpex is like, I've got to concentrate on getting the foxes. And these foxes really needed shooting on this ground because of where it is. So I've done the job right. I've probably not just filmed it as good. But like I said, they're both down, that's the main thing. So, I have to go and get them now, aren't I? Yeah, the first one was probably 100 yards, if that. Probably 120 yards at most, 100 yards. And that wall is 240 yards, so the second was quite a good shot, really. It's just a shame all the condensation and steam, you couldn't really see what was going on. And I didn't focus it right, but like I said, they're both down, so that's the main thing. So let's go and get them.
Here I'm just getting my stuff together, and I pick up my empty brass and set off for a long hike now to go and pick up this 235 yard fox, because I've got to climb over a few fences to get to it.
Just trying to find this second one, but it's down here. Yeah, these foxes are hard to find on this moorland. This should be the dog, to be honest with you. Yeah, dog fox. Sorry, old lad. But yeah, I know some folk don't agree with this, but you know, these are a 100% good pair of foxes to get out of the way, because like I've said at the start, this ground I'm shooting tonight, we have a lot of ground nesting birds, and you know, we can't tolerate any foxes on here, especially this time of year. So yeah, that's a very good job done. Here they both are, picked up, and I had a problem trying to find one of them, why I couldn't film it, but anyway, I found him eventually. And like I said before, you know, these really are a good pair of foxes to get out of the way, because soon we'll have a lot of ground nesting birds here with chicks and such. You know, we just can't tolerate any foxes on this ground, so yeah, good job. Yeah, this here is what I've got to walk through in the middle of the night, and I've got to go steady. Safe now. So yeah, turned out quite a good result, really. First night out with the Alpex 4K, 2 foxes down, 100 yards, one 235 yards. Had a lot of condensation tonight, like, which were hard work, and my filming wasn't just as spot on, but anyway, I've done the job. 2 foxes down, and I think it's give a good week this week. Actually, I think it's give it fine all week, and I've got another 2 or 3 farmers are ringing me, so I should be out again very soon. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you probably soon, because it's all go from now, innit? See you later.
This fox here is 288 yards. And this is when the Alpex is all focused, proper, and a clear night. And this is why I'm putting on this video. And you know, just watch how these foxes work in this ground. And this is what they do. And you'll see in a minute, he puts up some birds. You know, and like I said before, you know, if them birds had been sat on chicks, you know, that fox would have had them. And this is why fox control is essential, especially this time of year, on this ground as well. He's now 238 yards, and if the Alpex had been on my 6 PPC, I could have stopped him there and probably shot him. He's now 148 yards, and you know, same again, you can see how clear the Alpex is on a good night. Focus right. And here he is now in all his glory, really. And I've said this before, it's a shame that these smart animals do cause so much damage. But if these foxes weren't controlled on this ground, our ground nesting birds wouldn't stand a chance. This night here was the very first night I'd just got the Alpex 4K, and I thought I'll just nip out with it quick, you know, just for half an hour just to try it. And I shot these few rats, and to be honest with you, I was amazed how clear it was. First rat, the Alpex 4K. I did start off in style, but I actually missed the second one. I've just shot this rat now on 3 times. I'm trying the zoom on the Alpex, you know, to see if it pixelates. You can still see the rat's whiskers, and I think that's good. I do. On 6.34. Yeah, that to me is still. I've got to go pitch 7 times. I'm going to zoom right in now. Still see its whiskers pretty clear. Let's go all the way. 12. I mean, that is starting to pixelate now, but it's 15 times. Let's get it all the way. Yeah. Obviously it's pixelating now, but I'm going to go for 28 times. That's full zoom. There's a rat somewhere in this wall, but
Obviously I can't shoot on the top of the wall. I've just seen it there, here. Come on, Ratty. There it is. I'll take this shot now, but the sheep are there. I could have had a shot at that. But they all squeak work though.
So yeah, that was it really. It was just half an hour I had. The actual first night I got the Alpex 4K, and I just had about 7 or 8 rats. So again, thanks for watching, and I will see you soon.